Now let's solve this problem. 1 plus cosecant A divided by cosecant A is equal to cos square A divided by 1 minus sin A. This problem, it is quite different from other problems. In this problem, we have to solve LHS and RHS separately. Okay? So observe this carefully. First, let me write down LHS. Solution. Let me write down LHS. That is 1 plus cosecant A, 1 plus cosecant A divided by cosecant A. We know that cosecant theta, it is the reciprocal of sin theta. Therefore, cosecant A, I can write it as 1 by sin A. Right? See here. 1 plus this cosecant A, I will write it as 1 by sin A whole divided by cosecant A, I will write it as 1 by sin A. Okay? Now, observe this. Here we have numerator and denominator. But here we have only numerator. Nothing in the denominator means we can write it as 1. Now, take the LCM of 1 and sin A. What is the LCM? Sin A is the LCM. Right? Sin A is the LCM. Then what it will become? Sin A plus 1. Right? Sin A plus 1 whole divided by 1 divided by sin A. Right? Now, see here. Sin A, it is in the denominator. Both it will get cancelled. Then what is left? Sin A plus 1 divided by 1. Simply we can write it as sin A plus 1. Isn't it? Sin A plus 1. This is what our LHS. See here, sin A plus 1, it is our LHS. Now, we have to take RHS. We have to take RHS, that is cos square A divided by 1 minus sin A. Cos square A divided by 1 minus sin A. Now, look at this cos square A. We know the trigonometric identity. That is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Then cos square A, what it will become? 1 minus sin square A. Right? Therefore, this cos square A, I will write it as 1 minus sin square A. Cos square A, I will write it as 1 minus sin square A divided by 1 minus sin A. Now look at this one. 1 minus sin square A. If I write this 1 as 1 square, the value does not change, right? Therefore, I will write this 1 as 1 square. Then, it is in the form of A square minus B square. Isn't it? 1 square minus sin square A. It is in the form of A square minus B square. And we know the formula. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Okay? See here. 1 minus sin square A or 1 square minus sin square A. See, in the place of A, what we have? In the place of A square, we have 1 square. And in the place of B square, we have sin square A. Then A, it will become 1. B means what? Sin A. Therefore, what it will become? 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. Right? Therefore, this 1 square minus sin square A, I can write it as 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. Okay? 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. Okay? Divided by 1 minus sin A. Now this 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin A, it will get cancelled. Then what we will get? 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A, I can write it as sin A plus 1. Isn't it? Now, this is our RHS. Now look at this LHS and RHS. Sin A plus 1, sin A plus 1. Both are same. What we have proved? LHS is equal to RHS. Isn't it? Hope you have understood. Thank you.